Hi all, welcome back to the video related to my pen plotter, which is 3D printed. So this is a completed design of my 3D printed plotter. So you can see that I have the enclosures and everything ready from the as per the design. So the writing area will be 150 by 150, and you have the enclosure, and this will be the power supply, 5-volt power supply for the drivers. And let's get back to the design. So this is the complete design of the plotter. And I also updated my GitHub with all the files available, so you have a brief explanation of what explanation about what is this plotter is about and how to make this and what are the components hardwares you require to make this work. And also you can find the pin configurations, what are the pin configurations I used. And when it comes to the plotter files, you can see all the Arduino codes I used Arduino Nano, and the design files, the step file, plus the HMI I used. So HMIs, you will be using this run.bat file, which will run the HMI, where you can control every possible axis of the plotter. So I'll attach the link on this video. You can just go through the files and you can download and print. And you can modify, or since you have the design step file, you can modify the file as well and print as per your printer settings. To give you an overview about the print quality, so these are the few designs I made with this plotter. It will be better if we can fine tune it a little bit better. I was happy with the result, so I just call it the project is done, because I have other projects coming up. So these are the few files I print. So this is a software, GRBL Plotter is a software I use to create the G code, and I used Inkscape to create the vector images for the GRBL plotter. So I import the image here and make the SVG, and I will go back to GRBL plotter and generate the G code. I generate the G code and I copy paste the G code into the HMI where I have shown you before. So this will look like the sample G code from the GRBL plotter. You can see this was an SVG file I imported to GRBL plotter and I generated the G code. So you get the G codes this way, and you can just you can copy all the files from here, and you can go to the HMI, go to auto, and you can paste the G code here. There you will get a sample toolpath preview. From this, once the plotter is connected, you can just start the program, which will start the plotter. It will start the plotter and start tracing it. So this is simple HMI you can use with any plotter. Not only this, if you develop your own plotter, you can use the same HMI. The thing is only you need to have the COM port configured, which you can do with the config file I provided you. So you can go to the plotter files, the HMI section, and you go to the app Pi, and you can change the port you are connected to, and you are good to go. Thank you. So hope you like this project. Please download and print and make your modifications and share with the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.